Hello friends, Dr. Pranaya here. Today I am going to discuss few common queries about hair that comes to me in my OPD. Hair fall and hair related issues are common both in men and women, but there are a lot of myths that are there which give rise to more hair issues. So today I am here to discuss about certain myths and the real facts. So here it goes. The first myth is, they come and ask me, I am losing lot of hair. Will I go bald? Actually, losing 100 hairs a day is not a problem. That's normal. When there is a weather change, especially spring and winter, you tend to lose more hair. That's also normal. When you fall sick, when you have any infection, even at that time you lose a little more amount of hair. But that comes back to normal. So it's not so that whenever you get a hair fall, you are going to go bald. Baldness is a genetic problem. The next query comes to me is, shampoo and conditioner, is it good for hair? As we need soap to cleanse our body, we also need shampoo to clean our skin on the scalp. Conditioner are for the length of the hair, they are not meant for the scalp. Depending upon the skin on the scalp, you should use shampoo which is suitable for you. If you have dry scalp, you use a milder shampoo twice or thrice a week. If you have oily scalp, use a cleansing shampoo again two or three times a week. If you are a person who sweat a lot, you can use a gentle cleansing every day. When you have a normal scalp, once in a week shampooing is preferable. Then hair conditioning. Immediately after shampooing, you can put the conditioner on the length of your hair and that will take care of the shaft. The next question is, the more I cut the ends of my hair, won't it grow faster? The answer is no. The hair growth starts from the root, not from the ends. So, whatever hairs you are chopping from the end of the hair, it's not going to make any difference in the hair growth. Even if you shave off your scalp, still you may not have any change in the growth, because growth is determined inside the skin. It is at the root. Next is keratin straightening. Is it good for the hair? Actually, the parlor treatment that lot of people do for the hair has lot of chemicals. The keratin treatment also has a chemical called formaldehyde. When that chemical is applied onto the hair, it causes damage to the protein into the hair structure, and that is a permanent damage. So you should be very cautious that how many times you are doing those treatments, how frequently you are doing, because this damage is irreversible. Next is, there are certain products which can increase the hair growth. How is that true? There is nothing that can make your hair grow faster, because the growth of the hair depends upon your internal health, your nutrition and your lifestyle. Genetics also determines the rate of the hair growth. Whatever hair serums you use, it only enhances the growth. The rate of hair growth is determined genetically. The next question is blow drying good for the hair? One word answer is no. Whenever you are causing trauma to the hair, your hair tends to break down and fall. Whenever you want to use a blow dryer, straightener or curler or any such machine onto your hair shaft, try to use a heat protection spray or serum. That will prevent the damage to your hair shaft. Certain hairstyles like ponytail or putting lot of clips on the scalp, do they cause hair fall? This is very common in teenage. Answer is yes. Sometimes when you are holding your scalp very tight by the ponytail, you are putting lot of traction onto your scalp, your hair tends to break down and fall. That gives rise to something called as traction alopecia. Otherwise, the style itself is not going to give any hair fall, but you have to release the hair little loose and you should avoid the traction onto the hair. Next, very common doubt that I get from people is dandruff contagious? And the answer to this is not at all. Dandruff comes because of over secretion of your oil gland onto your scalp. Using the same towel, same clothes, comb is not going to transmit that dandruff to other person. If you have any other questions, you can please put it in the comment box and I can answer those queries. Thank you very much.